We're thrilled to share a core mechanic from our Firefighters game, the mighty ladder. We've used it in several of our adventure games because, let's be honest, who doesn't need a good ladder? They're versatile, reliable, and this one has been tried, tested, and climbed countless times. The concept is simple but satisfying. There's an obstacle in your way, and the only way across is with a ladder. Grab one, carry it to the wall, and snap! The ladder locks perfectly into place. To climb it, just walk up close and start ascending. Boom! Obstacle conquered. For extra convenience, the ladder will automatically reset after a number of seconds. You decide how long. That way, it's always ready for the next brave climber. Getting started couldn't be easier. Drop the asset into your world and check the README for guidance. No coding skills required. Click on the green trigger, open the Properties window, and you'll find the Reset Timer setting. That's where you control how quickly the ladder reappears for the next use. Have fun with the ladder asset, and remember, whatever you do, never walk under it.